Everyone, today we're going to talk about where clause in SQL and what it is. So let me draw a figure. This is a closet, or let's say database, and there's clothes, shoes, whatever, and what you want to do is get some data outside from this database to view. Like, we will query something, we'll ask, hey database, do you have certain data? And the database will be like, yeah, we have it. So it will show up. So basically what we can do using where clause is, let's say this is a closet of data, and in the closet there are multiple hoodies, but you only need hoodies which are blue. So what we're gonna do is we will look up the database and we'll find hoodie which is only blue. For that we can use where clause. So let's get started. We can use where clause by select what column you want. Let's do every data from my table, and we have column ID, name, phone, address, email, country, currency. So we only need data where the country is equals to Canada. So that way you'll only find records whose country is Canada. Then you just execute it, and you can see all the records. So this is what where clause is. I'll go in the depth in my other videos, so please stay tuned and watch my video, like, share and subscribe. If you haven't watched my previous video, how to set up MySQL, PostgreSQL, or let's say how to get into this MySQL workbench, I'll drop a link below or in the end screen. Thank you everyone. Bye.